Chamfers are now supported in the Flexible Modeling extension with the ability to recognize chamfers, edit chamfers, and move and recreate chamfers during flexible modeling operations. If chamfer geometry was created with a Creo Parametric 3 or later chamfer feature, it will automatically be handled by the system as a chamfer. Otherwise, for example with imported or legacy data, the system will extend and intersect the chamfer-like geometry to complete the flexible modeling operation. The Recognize Chamfer tool allows you to inform the system that chamfer-like geometry should be treated as a chamfer and not like regular geometry. Similar to rounds, to maintain the engineering intent of the chamfer, the system first removes the chamfer, executes the flexible modeling operation, and then recreates the chamfer at the end. Chamfers in chamfer-like geometry can be edited with the Edit Chamfer tool. Similar to rounds, you have the option to remove the chamfer or change its size and dimension scheme. Conic and curvature continuous rounds are recognized and treated as round geometry and can also be edited with Edit Round. Edit Round will display the current characteristics of a round surface and allow you to remove the round or change the type to circular, conic, C2, D1 by D2 conic, or D1 by D2 C2. As with circular rounds, conic and curvature continuous rounds are automatically recognized as round geometry. In order to preserve the engineering intent of the round geometry in your design, they are removed before a flexible modeling operation and recreated after the operation. If you don't want the round geometry to be treated as an engineering round, click Not Rounds and select the surface. The round geometry will now be treated as a general surface. It will not be removed and recreated, but, in the case of a circular round, changes can be propagated through the round if you choose the option to maintain tangency. Propagating changes from one pattern member to all other pattern members is now more flexible in the Creo Parametric Flexible Modeling extension. Geometric changes made to any pattern member with Creo Parametric Flexible Modeling extension tools, such as Move, Offset, Modify Analytic, Edit Round, and Edit Chamfer, can now be propagated out to all other members of the pattern. Make your geometric edits where they make the most sense to you. Let the system take care of duplicating those changes on the other pattern members. The Flexible Pattern tool allows you to leverage the round and chamfer handling capabilities of the Flexible Modeling extension while creating a pattern of geometry. By default, Flexible Pattern will remove any round or chamfer attachment geometry, extend the one-sided edges of the pattern geometry until it intersects solid geometry, and then recreate the round or chamfer attachment geometry. Attachment options allow you to control whether or not the round and chamfer attachment geometry is recreated after it is removed, and whether or not the one-sided edges are extended. An option under References allows you to tell the system to treat attachment round and chamfer geometry the same as the rest of the pattern geometry. They will not be removed and recreated, and if the attachment option is checked, their one-sided surface edges will be extended.